Hi there, I'm Gaz. This is my microphone, this is my bass. That's my frog. And on your screen is Reaper, which I'm using currently to host the plugins I use to get a sound with which I practice bass and guitar and jam out ideas. What you're looking at on the screen is the Voxengo recorder, which I use to get a sound from a DAW into OBS, and I only discovered this recently after a lot of Googling. So I'm making this video just to, I don't know, help other people do less Googling. So essentially what it means is when I play a note, oh look, it's in OBS.